Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot AI lead scoring, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with HubSpot AI lead scoring, locate the Get Started free button on the homepage and click it. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. For new users, fill out the sign up form with your email address and other required information. After signing up, you will receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Contacts section on the main dashboard. From the Contacts menu, select Lead Scoring. You will see an option to set up AI lead scoring. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the setup process. HubSpot will prompt you to select your scoring criteria. Choose factors such as demographic data, behavioral data, or any custom properties you want to include. Review the predefined scoring model suggested by HubSpot. Adjust the weights assigned to different criteria, based on your business needs. Once you are satisfied with your selections, click Save. The system will now analyze your existing leads based on the criteria you have set. Expect to receive insights and scores on your leads shortly after setup. Monitor the lead scores regularly to improve your marketing strategies. You can make adjustments to scoring criteria whenever necessary. To utilize these insights, integrate the lead scoring system with your sales process. Continually analyze the performance of your leads to refine your scoring model over time. This will help in identifying high-quality leads more effectively. Congratulations, you are now registered with HubSpot AI lead scoring and can leverage its power for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.